Hi kids! How are you all? Let's learn names of heavy trucks. Heavy trucks are powerful vehicles, used to carry heavy loads and support construction work. Dump truck. It carries and unloads sand or dirt at construction sites. Cement mixer truck. It mixes and transports concrete to building sites. Tanker truck. It transports liquids, like fuel, water, or chemicals. Flatbed truck. It carries large and heavy goods on an open platform. Refrigerated truck. It keeps food and other items cold while transporting them over long distances. Logging truck. It carries long, heavy logs from forests to factories. Car carrier truck. A car carrier truck transports multiple vehicles safely from factories to dealerships. Garbage truck. It collects and carries waste from homes and streets. Fire truck. It carries firefighters and equipment to quickly respond to fires and emergencies. Tow truck. It carries broken or damaged vehicles to a safe place. Lowboy truck. A lowboy truck carries very heavy and tall equipment using a low-height trailer. Fuel tanker truck. It transports petrol, diesel, or other fuels safely over long distances. Livestock truck. It transports farm animals safely with proper space and ventilation. Snowplow truck. It clears snow from roads to keep them safe and open for traffic. So kids, you learn about different heavy trucks. Thank you for watching. See you again.